Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I am making very famous Nandos peri peri chicken with some peri peri rice. If you're like me and live somewhere where halal Nandos is not available, this recipe is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So first we'll start with our chicken. For that I'm taking leg quarters and I cut them in two pieces. You can use chicken with the skin as well. I'm just using one leg quarter with the skin to check the texture. And then I'm marinating it with some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and of course Nando's peri peri sauce. There are very different variants available. I'm using medium hot today. So add the peri peri sauce in there and then some lemon juice or vinegar. Then I'm seasoning it with some salt, black pepper powder, and paprika powder. Then I'm adding some minced garlic and little bit of oil. Now mix everything very well with the chicken, then cover and let it marinate for at least 4 to 6 hours. I did it overnight. So after the chicken is marinated, now you can grill the chicken or you can bake it as well. Today I am baking the chicken and I'm making this edgy wall kind of a stuff, so my marination won't flow out and mess up my oven. But to be very honest, it didn't work at all. So please use a shallow dish and arrange the chicken in the shallow dish like I am doing right now. And then my oven is already preheated on 350 degrees and I'll be putting this chicken with the marination in the oven for at least 20 minutes at first. Then you can check after every 5 minutes and bake it until it's completely tender. Till then we're gonna go and cook our peri peri rice. When I'm making any kind of fried rice, I completely boil my rice and then I put them in a container and leave it in the fridge until they are completely cooled down and very chilled. So while my rice are getting chilled, I am heating up some oil in a wok and then I'm adding some chopped onions. Cook onions until they become softer, where we don't want our onion to change its color. Then I'm adding freshly chopped garlic. Now you can use minced garlic or garlic paste as well. And then I'm adding chilled, completely boiled rice in this. Then I'm adding some soy sauce and of course there are peri peri rice, so peri peri sauce, and then I'll be adding some black pepper powder. I'm not adding any salt because while I was boiling my rice I already added enough salt and all the sauces have enough sodium. Then on a medium to high flame just stir fry these rice until sauces are completely mixed with the rice. Now I'll be adding some cube bell pepper and seedless and cube tomatoes and then stir them very well, and then your peri peri rice are completely done. Now let's go and hop onto our chicken. When your chicken is completely cooked, I am opening up the top part of the oven, the broiler, and I'm just cooking the chicken until it's get nicely gold charred color on my chicken and flip it from one side and you can see my oven is all completely ruined. So that's how my peri peri chicken with peri peri rice is completely done and ready to serve. The chicken with the skin on had a different texture, but the regular chicken was taste as wonderful as the other one. So if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the link to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.